I do not see any problem kay Health Secretary. Gusto nga nila paalisin. Sabi ko, bigyan mo ako ng rason na paalisin ko ito, si DOH. Wala akong nakitang kasalanan. Bakit ko tanggalin? Against the advice of the many, even cabinet members, sabi ko, I will stick with the man na walang kasalanan and working only, doing his job. There is no coherent reason why Duque should be out. Pero kung gusto niyang umalis, ibang istorya yan. Pero really, mahihiya ako mag-ano ng tao na walang kasalanan. After all, ako yung sabi sa kanya na join me here.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.